Supply chains are the arteries of the world. When they go wrong, the world as we know it can unravel.
Supply chains touch everyone. Its reliability and security defines its success.
Now, 5G technology and connectivity are transforming supply chains.
The development of 5G brings a significant change in how new technology is deployed.
And one company is at the forefront of this seismic global change.
ZTE is committed to building a high-resilience supply chain.
"5G technology is set to deliver a level of global connectivity once thought impossible.
5G is more than voice and data from one network. It's a form of connectivity implemented within society. From intelligent factories and self-driving cars to the connectivity of devices and people.
5G has brought a shared mission to build an ecosystem with all partners, networks, and suppliers.
This vast ecosystem is growing, and it demands hyper-efficiency from supply chains.
Supply systems are being built in prior to and during 5G's deployment. Today, ZTE is involved in the entire product life cycle, from multiple production bases with resource sharing to a diversified logistics network.
We have been cooperating with ZTE to deploy our nationwide network over the past 5 years. Through adapting and transforming the supply chain, ZTE has been a solid partner in delivery progress and quality management in 5G's deployment.
Supply chains are not only adapting to this new technology, they are fully embracing it.
5G will redefine the operation of critical infrastructure from the factory floor to the cloud.
While this digital transformation is making supply chains more efficient, it also poses new security risks: how to keep data, people, products, devices, and everything else safe.
As a consumer, we will see cybersecurity on everything that you use in our days. Supply chain, of course, is a huge concern in here. We need to consider all the supply chain that is supporting everything from A to Z. We cannot live without cybersecurity as a concern.
But the good news is, there is a solution.
Digitizing the supply chain means creating secure systems for each of those digital transformations.
New technology always causes new risks. If you don't have the backbone secure, everything that will come from there can explore this. We analyze all the risks, all the threats that are in there.
ZTE is pioneering new standards in security by bringing networks, partners, and suppliers together during the testing process.
We are developing the future, and standards need to be there very clear for all the supply chain to have in place, and we are leading the way on this one. If a client wants to come here and do testing, we will allow it in every single way. It can test the equipment, it can test the software, and it can test the source code that we have.
Technological innovations are allowing a growing ecosystem of suppliers to react quickly and efficiently to disruptions.
As a large ecosystem of suppliers continues to grow, the supply chain will need to adapt to securely manage and maintain quality and high performance. For example, ZTE developed a visualized risk map. Once emergencies occur, such as earthquake or pandemic, we can evaluate the impact to supply chain within 2 hours and take action quickly.
A data configuration robot has been developed and applied within 5G projects. Not only does this bring efficiency to the supply chain, but enables rapid 5G rollout.
Pioneering advancements in technology are running through supply chains like never before.
In the 5G era, ZTE proposed intelligent manufacturing powered by 5G. Equipment interconnection, robot collaboration, and digital twins are the result of 5G technology implementation within the supply chain.
Advanced technology systems implemented enable 5G network operation.
Supply chains are now continuously adapting, empowering new technologies to build more reliable and resilient networks for the world's future.
The success of 5G deployment projects are reliant on a robust and reliable supply chain. A supply chain that adapts and transforms with the technology.
ZTE is establishing a safe, precise, intelligent, reliable, and efficient supply chain. We call it spare supply chain. With global partners working alongside one another, we are preparing to face both the opportunities and the challenges of the future.